Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video where today we are going to be bass testing the JVC HX-Z30 once again. This is just going to be a nice short little one for now. Not at too crazy high volumes, but I just want to test out the new setup here. This is pretty much the finalized version of it here. We got the Z30 speakers down there, another GT90 speakers, and then another GT90 speaker. So I got the microphone all set up. Let's bass test. Alright, there we go. There is our little bass test of the JVC HX-Z30. I mean, it wasn't too crazy loud. I just wanted to get like a bass test out, and I also just wanted to test this new setup. I think it looks really nice. Tell me what you guys think of the new setup. This antenna is kind of annoying me. I'm gonna have to find a new spot for this. Okay, well, there it goes. Alright, you know what? That'll do for now. Alright, well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little bass test. Leave your song requests in the description below, and I might just play your song request on one of these speakers. Let me know which one you want me to play your bass test song on. Do you want me to play it on the JVC HX-Z30, JVC MX-GT91, or GT92? Let me know. You can choose either one of the GT90s, so whatever one looks more appealing to you. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video or live stream, whatever happens to be next. Most likely not a live stream, but whatever. See you all in the next video.